So we're starting off with a brand new Drupal website where I installed the standard profile, and we're going to start installing the DXPR builder by downloading the module with Composer, like so. So when it finishes downloading, we're going to the extend page here. We're going to enable the DXPR builder as well as these two submodules. So these modules will give us some content types that are pre-configured so we can get started right away. Just one more step before we get started. We're going to the DXPR builder settings form to install our product key. You can find your product key in your dxpr.com account by clicking this link. So I'm just going to copy that and paste it here. And next, you can skip this option if your website already uses Bootstrap. For example, if your theme uses Bootstrap, but the Drupal standard profile uses the Olivero theme, and we need to load Bootstrap using this setting. So I'm just going to install the latest version of Bootstrap available to me here. So now we installed the key, and we're going to go to the content link here. And when we add content, we see there's a new option for us, drag and drop page. So we're going to create a page and find that the editor is enabled here. So we can start by either adding a page template or adding some elements from here. And what I want to show you next is the image element. So if the image element, we can select an image by clicking this button, and that will let us select an image from our local machine, which works fine, but it will not let you reuse images that are already in your website. So this works, but we're going to integrate DXPR Builder with the Drupal media library. And to do that, we're going back to the extend page and check out this DXPR Builder media module. So this module installs a pre-configured entity browser, which is a third-party plugin that is integrated with DXPR Builder. Before we can install it, we need to install two new dependencies, inline entity form and entity browser. I'm going to use Composer to install those. Or in downloads. When they finish downloading, I'm going to reload this page and install the DXPR Builder Media. Now I'm going back to my DXPR Builder page. And when I edit this image and click Select Image, I will see that I can upload images here. As well as reuse the same image that I just uploaded. And that's basically how DXPR Builder is installed, as well as the media integration. In the next video, I'm going to go over how we install DXPR Builder on pre-existing content types on your existing website, and also how to integrate it with Drupal course layout builder and how to use it with blocks.